First off, we saw that 81% of Filipino wealth holders fear that the wealth that they've created won't be preserved beyond the next generation. We've heard this whispered in several circles, wherein they say the first generation builds it, the second generation spends it, and the third generation is left with nothing. And so this is a very real concern. Only 18% of those actually feel that they are prepared with any legacy arrangement in place. And this is what's particularly concerning also. Only 6% have completed and actually communicated that legacy plan to the heirs or to the successors, while 25% have admitted that they have nothing in place at all. And so, even more telling, I would say, is that, and I know you've also heard about certain families talking about this, they are aware of wills and estate planning tools. However, only 32% actually use them. So they have the awareness, but they don't have the confidence to execute against that plan. And so this is not really a lack of awareness, but rather probably a preparedness issue where successors and heirs feel that they are overwhelmed and don't know where to start.